The cryptocurrency industry is entering a new phase, where the focus is shifting from speculation toward real-world utility and institutional adoption. In this evolving landscape, next-generation blockchains are racing to provide the infrastructure necessary for financial institutions, asset managers, and enterprises to bring traditional financial products onto the blockchain. One of the most promising platforms in this race is SUI, a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain that has rapidly gained attention for its advanced architecture and ability to support large-scale financial applications. Today we will talk about SUI adoption, such as RWA and stablecoin usage. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The rise of SUI in the blockchain ecosystem. SUI was developed by engineers who previously worked at Meta Platforms and were involved in the development of the company's earlier blockchain initiative known as Diem. After Meta discontinued its crypto project, several members of the team founded Mistin Labs, which built SUI as a new type of blockchain designed specifically to overcome the limitations of earlier networks. Unlike traditional blockchains that process transactions sequentially, SUI utilizes a parallel execution model that allows many transactions to be processed simultaneously. This dramatically improves throughput and reduces latency. The network also introduces an object-centric data model, meaning that assets on the blockchain behave like programmable objects rather than simple balances in an account. These innovations allow SUI to process transactions with sub-second finality, making it capable of supporting large-scale financial applications that require both speed and reliability. As a result, SUI has quickly attracted developers, institutional investors, and financial firms interested in building next-generation financial products. 21 Shares partners with SUI to accelerate real-world adoption. One of the most significant developments in SUI's institutional adoption came when 21 Shares announced a strategic partnership with the SUI ecosystem. The announcement was made during SUI Basecamp, a major gathering of developers, investors, and blockchain innovators. 21 Shares is widely recognized as one of the largest providers of crypto exchange-traded products, ETPs, in the world. The company has pioneered several industry firsts, including launching the world's first physically backed crypto ETP and expanding institutional access to digital assets across Europe and other global markets. Through this partnership, 21 Shares aims to develop financial products, research initiatives, and strategic collaborations that will help integrate SUI into traditional financial markets. The goal is to make the SUI ecosystem more accessible to both institutional investors and retail participants. According to Duncan Moyer, the company sees SUI as one of the most promising blockchains in the industry. Moyer highlighted that SUI's performance, scalability, and developer-friendly architecture make it particularly well-suited for tokenized finance and large-scale financial infrastructure. Why institutions are betting on SUI? Institutional investors are increasingly evaluating blockchain networks based on their ability to support real financial activity, rather than just speculative trading. In this context, SUI offers several advantages that make it attractive for institutional adoption. Parallel execution and sub-second finality. One of SUI's most groundbreaking features is its parallel transaction execution capability. Unlike older blockchains that process transactions sequentially, SUI can execute many transactions simultaneously. This allows the network to achieve extremely high throughput while maintaining low latency. For institutions handling large volumes of financial transactions, this capability is critical. It ensures that transactions can be processed quickly without congestion or delays. Developer-friendly architecture. SUI uses a programming language based on the Move framework, which was originally designed for secure digital asset management. The Move language allows developers to build applications that treat assets as programmable objects, enabling complex financial interactions with built-in security guarantees. Major RWA initiatives already launching on SUI. The SUI ecosystem is already attracting projects focused on bringing traditional financial instruments onto the blockchain. One major initiative involves Ondo Finance, a DeFi platform that specializes in tokenized financial products. Ondo Finance is working on launching tokenized U.S. Treasury instruments on the SUI network, allowing investors to gain exposure to government bonds through blockchain-based tokens. Another example is the Athens Exchange Group, often referred to as ATHEX. The exchange has been experimenting with on-chain fundraising systems built on SUI infrastructure, potentially enabling companies to raise capital using blockchain technology. These initiatives demonstrate how SUI is evolving beyond traditional crypto use cases into real financial infrastructure capable of supporting global capital markets. Stablecoins play a crucial role in decentralized finance because they provide a stable medium of exchange for trading, lending, borrowing, and payments. As the SUI ecosystem expands, stablecoin issuers and DeFi platforms are increasingly integrating their tokens into the network. This allows users to move funds quickly, participate in DeFi applications, and settle transactions without exposure to extreme price volatility. The combination of stablecoins and tokenized assets could eventually create a fully digital financial system where assets, payments, and financial services operate seamlessly on blockchain infrastructure. What comes next for the SUI ecosystem? Although the partnership between SUI and 21 Shares has not yet revealed specific financial products, the roadmap includes joint research, institutional product development, and global market expansion. As 21 Shares continues expanding its presence in the United States and other major financial markets, the SUI ecosystem could benefit from increased credibility, visibility, and institutional participation. If the current momentum continues, SUI may become one of the key infrastructures powering tokenized finance, decentralized applications, and stablecoin-based payment systems in the coming decade. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.